Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Happy New Year to you all. I pray that this year will be better than previous years for all of us, and I say amen to that. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to cut a nice package shirt. Please keep watching and let's get started. For the measurements, we'll be using chest 44, neck 17, shoulder 18, and the top length will be 30. It's a short sleeve shirt, so tag along. Let's get started. As you can see, the shirt and the length is here already. So the length I will be using is 30, but this one is 31. So how I got the width is from the chest measurement. The chest measurement is 44. But you make sure you add 2 inches to it, to the shirt measurement 44. The shoulder is 18. The neck is 17. So for the shirt, the first thing we do is to get the shoulder measurement. The shoulder measurement is 17. But we'll add 1 inch to it. That will be 18. Sorry, the shoulder is 18. We add 1 inch to it, and 18 divided by 2 is 9, plus 1 inch sewing allowance, that is 10. And from there you come down by 2 inches, that is shoulder slant. 2 inches shoulder slant. And I will now slant. Don't mind that I'm using a free hand. You can actually use ruler to do it. So I will now get back to my shoulder measurement again, which is 18 plus 1 inch sewing allowance 10. So I'll mark. Then from here, remember, I'll come back, supposed to measure 9 inches, but minus 2 inches slanting, I'll get minus 2 inches slanting, I'll get 9. So from there, I'll take my chest measurement. My chest measurement is 44. If you divide it by 4, is 11. Plus 1.5 sewing allowance. Now I'll get my neck. Normally the neck is 17, but you remember we'll still trim the neck later. So I'll do the width 2 inches. The depth, and just do it 3 for now. Then I will now just trim. This one I'll connect. So remember, if the owner of the shirt has tummy, what you use as the chest measurement is the tummy. If the tummy is bigger than the chest, you use the tummy as the chest measurement. You take it down. So the owner of this one does not have tummy, so I'm having 12 3/4. So I will take it down. 12 3/4. I'll take it down. 12 3/4. We are through with the front. I will still come and trim the back. I will come and cut the back with it. We use the front to cut the back. So make sure when cutting the back that here is straight. Here is supposed to be straight. Then you now remember the sewing allowance is only on the front. You now place make sure that this point with the straight line are matching. This particular point here and the straight line are marking. Leave this one and make sure there is still small allowance for button here. Make sure all of them are a straight line, just small for the button. We'll now go ahead and cut, but while cutting the up, you give like 1 inches allowance. Now I'm not consider my length and trim the down. So you can see our shirts are having the shape it requires. So remember, you can see this straight line. We will still cut the complete back, complete the back. The complete back, you need another fabric that will be 14 inches by width. Then the shoulder measurement we used is 18. When you divide it by 2 is 9 inches plus 1 inch sewing allowance, that is 10. So make sure that the fabric is out to the shoulder. This is the shoulder, you use 10 plus 10, that is 20, so it's more than. So what we'll do now is just to fold the fabric into 2, then you fold again to get the complete back. Remember, whenever you see a nice package shirt, there's always a complete back. So when you fold like this, you now measure the shoulder measurement, which is 10, but we just do 11. We'll trim it if it's necessary. Then here it's not constant. Some you can use 4 inches, you can use 4.5. So for this one I'm using 4.5. So I'll mark 4.5 here, and I'll mark 4.5 here again. I'll now use my ruler to slant to the upper part here from the 4.5 down. So I'll use my ruler to slant it. So you can see I have slanted the 4.5 I measured here. Remember, the front neckline, the width is 2 inches. So I'll mark the 2 inches here. So I'll now trim the neck of the back. Slant. So that is our complete neck, our complete back measurement. So you can see our complete back measurement. So we just open it up. When you see a package shirt, if you are looking through the front, you'll be seeing the good side of the material, and from the back you'll also be seeing the good side of the material. So you just use your scissors and open it up. So thank you guys for watching.